If you guys are looking to make a really good, super cheap tater-tot casserole, you've come to the right place. I'm going to use everything right here in front of me. It takes about $10 in the grocery store to make this. It's super quick, really easy. I think anyone can make this. And takes you less than an hour to make. Let's hop on into it.
To start out, throw your hamburger into a pan and make sure you chop it up. As you can see, my hamburger's still just a little bit frozen on the inside, but that's not gonna hurt anything. Also, make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While your hamburger's cooking, go ahead and dice up your onion. I like to use this method where you cut down the middle as many times as you like. The wider the cut, the thicker the onion. Once you cut down the middle, give it a few slices, just like I'm doing. Make sure to take it slow so you don't cut your hand. And I'm sorry the camera's shaking, I did not realize it was leaned up against the island. Once you're done cutting horizontally, go ahead and cut it vertically just like me. My knife wasn't super sharp, so you can tell I'm struggling just a little bit. I decided my onion slices were bigger than I'd like, so I'm doing a rough chop to take them down a notch. Now, back to the meat. It's time to season. I'll be using this seasoning that I found at my local Bass Pro Shop. I'll also be using some salt and garlic powder. Once my hamburger's done, I'll throw in the onion we just cut. Once it's in, I like to cover it and cook it for a few minutes. Once your onion's cooked, it's time to throw in some cream of mushroom soup. Once it's in, go ahead and mix it up until it looks like mine. Now that everything's ready, you can go ahead and start layering all the food. I like to throw in the hamburger first. Then you want to smooth it out and make it an even layer. Now throw in your corn and make it an even layer as well. I like to throw in a little bit of cheese just to make sure the tater tots will stick to everything else. Now it's time to throw the tater tots in. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to this step, because when I make it even, I try and make it look as nice as I can, as you can see now. Now, give it another healthy layer of cheese. Now throw it into the oven at 400 degrees for roughly half an hour. Once it's done, it'll look a little something like this. If you need to go a little bit longer, don't be scared. And now it's time to dish it up. And that's how you make tater-tot casserole. If you like this video, feel free to give me a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to comment on anything else that you'd like to see me make. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.